Hi, my name is Mary Malone of Coldwell Banker Realty and the Luxe Service Group. I am here today in Holland Township, located in Hunterdon County, walking across the iconic Findsville Bridge that goes over the Musconetcong. The Musconetcong River, otherwise known as the Muskie, is 42 miles long and feeds right into the Delaware River. This is a stone's throw away from my new listing at 188 Bellis Road, which has amazing access to hiking, canoeing, fishing, and the state's most beautiful vineyards. Let's go check it out. Instead of driving hours to enjoy the outdoors, it's time to make 188 Bellis Road in Holland Township your new home.